what's going on? Your boy Miami here. Just want to let y'all know that got some money to spare a couple weeks ago, and we decided to go down mainstream, get the car tuned. You'll see what it's putting out the video. So I just want to say thanks for all the support, all the subscribers, comments. I want to let y'all know that there's also another project coming along that's in the top secret folder right now, but there'll be a video of that too. So just keep in touch, and there's gonna be a lot of good stuff coming up for this car. So just keep on watching, and hope you like. Appreciate it.
Start with straight shots and then pop bottles. Yeah. Pour it on the models.
Shut up, bitch, swallow.
Yeah. Shut up, bitch, swallow. Shut up, bitch, swallow. If you can't swallow, shut up, bitch, goggle. Shut up, bitch, swallow. Shut up, bitch, swallow. If you can't swallow, shut up, bitch, goggle. Shut up, bitch, swallow. Shut up, bitch, swallow. If you can't swallow, shut up, bitch, goggle. Shut up, bitch, swallow. Only make jokes funny. I make more than I can fit in this quote, honey. Unquote comes sun so me. Fly it down here, lay it up, put on the beach. And if you smile at my girl, I make her smile back. Shut up, bitch, watch. Shut up, bitch, watch. Shut up, bitch.
You going after Durango or what? Hell yeah.
Coming Durango, we coming strong. LS, baby, LS.
Shut up, bitch, swallow. Shut up, bitch, swallow. If you can't swallow, shut up, bitch, goggle. Shut up, bitch, swallow. Shut up, bitch, swallow. If you can't swallow, shut up, bitch, goggle. Shut up, bitch, swallow. Shut up, bitch, swallow.
No VTEC excuses. LS, raw power. 263, I'm sorry, 263, look. Raw power.
Stop, there's nothing, no rise, none of ego, fuck the ego, just know it's going for you. What you gonna do?
Shut up, bitch, goggle. Shut up, bitch, swallow. Shut up, bitch.
Stock internals.
And it spools up fairly fast in the part throttle. I mean, it'll be a fun car.
So I should be like, whoa, when I drive it now.
I think so. Especially now, once you get and not breaking up.
Yeah, that was not good.
So Miami, whoa, hey, where you going? Come here. All right, so what's the conclusion? Are we even done? Where we at?
I don't know if we're done yet, but we got 265 out of it. Stock motor, no performance part, nothing. 265, old motor, baby. 10 pounds.
It's actually boost, but
10 pounds of boost. That stuff that gets you laid. Pretty happy with it. Yeah. Hopefully we get some more money. Throw some internals on there, right, Chris?
Maybe if you take it.
No, too much excuses then. No, LS man, no VTEC. And that's pretty much it. So we'll probably be until the next time. So
Stay tuned.
stay tuned. You know, cool 294, please 404. You like, please subscribe. So peace.
Shut up, bitch, swallow. If you can't swallow, shut up, bitch, goggle. Shut up, bitch, swallow. Shut up, bitch, swallow. If you can't swallow, shut up, bitch, goggle. Shut up, bitch, swallow. Shut up, bitch, swallow. If you can't swallow, shut up, bitch, goggle.
Just to remind y'all,
Shut up, bitch.
that's a stock motor. It's not the one that's being built. So keep that in mind.
Shut up, bitch, swallow. If you can't swallow, shut up, bitch, goggle. Shut up, bitch, swallow. Shut up, bitch, swallow. If you can't swallow, shut up, bitch, swallow. Check this out.